Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok no internet connection problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, back to TikTok app. So guys, make sure that your phone is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data is turned on. So guys, first of all, go to Play Store and tap on search bar and search TikTok app. So guys, first of all, check that your Instagram app is updated. If not updated, so guys, first of all, update your Instagram app update version. After this, go back. So guys, you need to open your mobile phone settings and check that you have an active internet connection. Now tap on connection. If you are connected to the Wi-Fi, now tap on Wi-Fi. Now tap on Wi-Fi name and tap on forget and connect it again and go back. If you are connected with mobile data, now tap on mobile network and tap on network mode and select LT auto connect and go back and scroll down. Now tap on your mobile phone about and tap on reset and tap on reset network settings and tap on reset settings. And after this, go back. After your problem still be not solved, then restart your device so your problem will be fixed. So guys, you need to open TikTok app. So guys, after doing all these steps, your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comments and share. Thank you.